If you've ever wondered if there are quick and effective solutions for overcoming guilt, drawing healthy boundaries, or taking control of your own life, look no further. Introducing the complete Bachelor Remedies certificate course. Just like there are medicines for physical ailments, the Bachelor Remedies help bring about deep emotional healing and create harmony within the self. Not only that, but it also has positive effects on your physical health and well-being. The best part is that it's 100% natural with zero side effects and safe for everyone from children to pregnant women. Whether you're a healthcare professional, a wellness enthusiast, a doctor, a physiotherapist, a psychologist, or just someone looking to improve their emotional health, this course is perfect for you. So join me as I guide you through a comprehensive journey into the world of natural and holistic healing. We'll explore the 38 different remedies and how they can address specific emotional conditions while also impacting physical health positively. You'll learn how to identify emotional imbalances, create personalized remedies, and integrate them into your daily life for yourself and your loved ones. And here's the best part, you can preview selected lectures for free right now and get a taste of the insights and practical techniques awaiting you in the full course. With lifetime access to all content, quizzes, workbooks, and case studies, learning this healing modality has never been more fun and easy. So let's take this first step towards a healthier and happier life for ourselves and our loved ones. Enroll now and I'll see you in the course.